Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to take a nice brief view of all the settings on Twitch. So first and foremost, we see our profile settings. Over here we can disable our Twitch account, we can change how our profile picture, our profile banner, as well as capitalize our name and add a bio. After that, we have Prime Gaming. From here, you can try Prime Gaming, or if you have Amazon Prime, you want to come here and you want to link your Amazon Prime account. That way you can get free items. For example, see from Amazon Prime, if I had Amazon Prime, I could get a free trial of Naraka, Blade Point, some in-game content for Valhalla, and other stuff in games. So Amazon Prime is actually something that's very useful if you have it, and I would suggest you using it. Now if we come to the channel and view, over here we get a broad view of everything. You can schedule a review, you can brand it however you wish, you can generate your own background, you can put a video player banner. Like, this is basically a very elaborated way on creating a channel dashboard from which for your channel. If you plan on streaming daily, I would suggest you come here, take a look at everything. This is actually gonna help a lot for making your channel more interactive with your viewers. But if you come to security and privacy, here we can see our email address, which we can change or view. We can add a phone number for further security. You can change your password. You can set up a two-step authentication. You can block people, just enter their username. You can block whispers from strangers so that they won't be able to send you messages. You can block gifts so no one can send you gifts. And yeah, there's a lot you can do here as well. In notification, it's all about notifications, so you can turn these off. It's all about if you want to receive some notifications or not. And on connections, this is something that I would say is important. You can link your Twitch account to your Ubisoft, Riot, Twitter, YouTube. You can link your Twitch account for getting drops. In Twitch, there are multiple drops you can achieve by watching streams, and you gotta link your accounts to get those drops. And over here in recommendation, it's gonna give you some recommendation about feedback. So if anyone is giving you feedbacks, this is where all the feedbacks are gonna be being collected in. So that's about it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.